understanding and managing common causes of coughing. In today's world, coughing has become a common issue affecting both adults and children. Pollen, dust, and certain foods, especially junk or roadside food with unhealthy oils, can irritate the throat and lead to persistent coughing. Drinking cold water, particularly when your immunity is low, may also cause throat irritation. Medications like blood pressure drugs or prolonged antibiotics can also contribute to throat irritation and coughing. Symptoms like chest tightness or difficulty breathing could indicate more serious conditions like asthma or heart problems. Prompt treatment can help avoid complications like infections.